Okay, so we're speaking about disabling automatic numbering. So how do we do that? So first of all, we have to manually type down the number. You're getting me? We have to manually what? Type down the number. You're getting this? We have to manually type down the number. So I will type my 1 and put my full stop. And then after my full stop, I had the 2 indentation spacing symbol. Sorry about that. Yes, I had my 2 indentation spacing symbol, which was actually this one. I manually typed 1 and I had this 2 indentation spacing symbol. So which means now after that I need to I put my 1 because you have to put a comma after 1. You understand that? And then I draw my 2 indentation spacing symbol. 1. Now the reason it's doing this to me is because automatic numbering is enabled, so I will disable it. The way I disable automatic numbering, because every time I try to manually type a number, it's gonna give me trouble. Like if I type 1 manually and I put my dot and I try to indent 2 spaces because I'm following the manuscript symbol, it's gonna give me trouble. Can you see that? So I have to go to my numbering ribbons here, and then I click on none. Can you see that? I click on none. Now I feel like this way should work. So let's continue. I went to numbering and I clicked on none, and now let's see. I put my 1, my comma, and I try to indent 2 times as I'm following the manuscript symbol. 1, and then you see it's did automatic numbering for me. But this time now you should see the thunder symbol. You should click on the thunder symbol drop down arrow and click on undo automatic numbering. Can you see that? Now now it's gonna be easy for me to draw my indentation lines of 2. 1. Wait, let me just close this one more time. 1, 2. Can you see that now? I have my 1 and then my 2 indentation spaces as required. Can you see that? Same thing I will do under surface water pollution. Again, I have number 2, place 2, and my comma 1, 2. Can you see that? I have 1, 2 lines. Under oxygen, I have 3, and my comma 1, 2. Can you see that? I disabled automatic numbering. On number 4, I placed my number and I put indentation, a comma, and 2 indentation spaces. 1, 2 indentation spaces, because this symbol tells me that I must put my 2, my comma. This symbol tells me that I must put my 2 and then my comma and then my 2 indentation spaces. So that's what I was supposed to do there. Can you see that? With microbiological, I put number 5, my comma, and then my 2 indentation spaces. This is what is required. You're getting me? This is what you are supposed to do. You just undo automatic numbering. Let me just show you something. So, to manually write figures and indent them by 2 spaces horizontally. Horizontally means straight. You need to what? Click on the thunder symbol and undo automatic numbering. And now you will be able to indent numbers at the beginning of the margin. Just like we did here. We said 1, let me put our comma, and then automatically the numbering ribbon moved our numbering to the right. So I had to click on the thunder symbol and I had to click on undo automatic numbering. The moment I did this, the automatic numbering pushed my text at the beginning of the margin on our left, beginning of the margin. So this is what you need to do, and then you do your 2 indentation spaces. Guys, good luck. I will see you in the next video. Let me just remove this. Yes.